Howdy y'all, this is K1 Locks. Today I come at you with a Trimax stainless steel disc storage lock. Here it is right here. Nice thing about this, on the back here it says number 4, armor plated lock core. So at least it's armor plated. That's pretty cool. I've never messed with a lock that was armor plated before. So now these are interesting locks because of the tension you got to put in with them. Sometimes I just I'll grab a different. There you go. You gotta be light with the tension and then kind of hard with it at the same time, because got a different pick here. Almost seems like it's not going in far enough now. See, there we go. Got it open. So again, the thing about this lock is the tension on it has to be light enough but hard enough so that you can get it out. So let's see if we can rake it, shall we? Let's see if we can do that real quick. Oh. Anyway, we got her open once. There we go. So I think that's what the trick is. You put your pick in and then kind of lift up on that last pin. There we go. Yeah, that's what works with this one. So again, this is a Trimax secure stainless steel lock. This is K1 Lock saying be safe, be legal, and be the lock.